You know what's all the rage right now? Living lettuce.
It looks very fresh.
Because it's alive. And so today we just want to show you how to handle it and how to keep it and reuse it. And we'll make a salad while we're at it.
So we need to wash it?
Sure, you need to wash it. I never washed anything. I grew up in the grocery store. We don't wash anything.
Oh, wow. What makes this living?
So it has the full
roots.
root system still with it. And you also have a bit of that soil, like a mix, that holds the root system together. It's different types of lettuce. This is a tri-blend. So you can see the first ball there. That's more like a frise, like a smaller. This is gonna be your traditional leaf lettuce. And then the red leaf lettuce is over here. So you can regrow this. You can keep getting more lettuce from this. Ideally, you wanna take from the outside and you wanna leave the middle if you plan to regrow it.
If you're just using half of it, how do you keep it?
So what you would do is you would either leave it in the bag and you just add water and it would just keep it hydrated for as long as you want. If you do want to replant this, you should put it into some type of a soil and you just wanna loosen up all these strands. So in essence, you wanna break this up before you replant it and it will continue to grow lettuce over and over and over again throughout the course of the summer. Most people know the traditional Ready Crisp product. You literally microwave it in 10 seconds and you've got bacon ready to go. This is a new product from Schneiders. Again, this is one of the brands within the Maple Leaf family. And this is more of a fresh bacon in the sense that it's got a little bit more moisture. So you'll find it in the refrigerated section, where this you'll find dry or shelf stable. And it's meant to give more of a natural bacon flavor, taste, and experience. I thought it'd be cool to see how it compares and then seeing which one would be ideal for putting in our salad. We're gonna start with the microwave method. So Ready Crisp, real easy. You just grab a microwave plate and you grab some paper towel. And the instructions say that for 4 slices, it should be 15 to 20 seconds. There is our Ready Crisp bacon.
It smells like bacon.
Schneiders, thick cut, fully cooked bacon. Put it on a microwave safe plate, microwave on high, heat for 6 to 10 seconds per slice. A little different. You ready to try, Chris? This is drier, to me. To you too?
Like a little bit more crispy. This one has more of like a chew. Both good flavor.
Okay, so then the alternative cooking method is to actually pan fry them. I wanna hear a sizzle. It's a mediocre sizzle. It says only 10 to 15 seconds. This is our pan fried. Okay, where's the Ready Crisp? Over here. So I'm gonna do the Ready Crisp next. Same instructions it said, so like 10, 15 seconds. I always dab, dab, dab. Does everyone dab their bacon? Some people just eat it with all the grease.
Any difference?
No.
And microwave?
No. This is drier.
Hence the Ready Crisp.
It's good. This tastes more like a traditional piece of bacon. So we're making a salad?
I'm gonna chop some tomato and onion. This is the blue cheese crumble.
That must be new.
And it has a little opening here. Some people are a little afraid of blue cheese.
Don't be afraid of blue cheese.
And now we're gonna crumble some bacon on. We're just gonna go in with some black pepper, a little bit of salt, because the blue cheese and the bacon are pretty salty. Drizzle a good amount of olive oil on there. You know me, I don't measure. Some balsamic glaze on top, and it makes the blue cheese not as pungent, I find.
Look at this.
Again, you can add other proteins, chicken, you could add some avocado in there. It's kind of like a cob. So should we mix this up?
No.
No?
No, no, no. I don't want to mix it up. I like it like this, and I want to put it on my plate like this.
Like this?
Like this.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's try this living
lettuce.
salad.
It's like I'm eating a garden, but not like the bad parts of a garden, the good parts. That's really good. That lettuce is tasty. Very fresh.
Really nice and fresh. If you don't have the garden to plant your own lettuce, I think this is the next best thing. Try the living lettuce.
We tried the bacon, the Ready Crisp bacon. I learned that Castello blue cheese has a shaker option. Huh.